Hi everyone, welcome to SAE Sir classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 2.78 inches in easy way. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to convert from inch to centimeter. So we know that 1 inch, this is equal 2.54 centimeter. So first converting from inch to centimeter. So now 2.78 inches, that is equal, so multiplying 2.78 with 2.54 centimeter. Okay, so do it at home. So now I'm directly write it. So this is 7.0612 centimeter. You have to multiply this at home. Okay, this is your home task. Now first drawing here a line segment of length 7.1 centimeter approximately. So first drawing here 7.1 centimeter approximately. So this is O and here P. Okay, so OP, this is 7.0612 centimeter. Next, taking the length OP with the help of compass, and now here taking any point, and this is O and the length OP. So taking again the length OP with the help of compass by this way. Perfect. Now putting the compass on the point O and drawing here arc by this way. So perfect. So continue, so drawing the arc by this way, and this is a perfect circle, and this is a circle of radius 2.78 inches or 7.0612 centimeter. Now joining the radius from the center O and here P, so OP 7.0612 centimeter or approximately 7.1 centimeter. So radius OP, this is 2.78 inches or in centimeter 7.0612 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for